Bybit is launching new IDO on their exchange, and in this video I'm going to explain this full process on how to get this token on IDO. You need to come to this more over here and navigate to this Web3, press this Web3, and here you will find this token GameSwift. So press this, view details, and right here the subscription, you need to press create wallet and create wallet, and right here you want to cancel this and come home again, press this view more, and you find an option to subscribe now. So the snapshot period will end in 2 days, 4 hours 12 minutes, and right here you want to press subscribe now. And here is my ticket, and I'm going to press back right here. As participants must have a Bybit wallet with balance of at least $300 Arbitrum change to be eligible for IDO participation. Failure to hold this balance during the snapshot period will result to ineligibility. 3-day snapshot will be taken per day. The snapshot period from 7:07 10 o'clock UTC to 7:21 10 o'clock UTC time. So you have to hold this $300 worth of USDT on your Arbitrum chain on this wallet I just create right here, and you can fund your wallet using these options over here. Here is the details of this token, this IDO details. Launch price is 1 cent, and for participation we have it's the same chance to win this token allocation lottery. Holders of winning this ticket may redeem their allocation nominated in USDT of IDO token will be USDT from their Bybit wallet. Total winning tickets 250 tickets, and total redeem value is 200 USDT per ticket, and total issue is 3 million plus of this coin, and total amount is 50,000 USDT and on Arbitrum chain. And IDO the timeline subscription period, participation must have at least 300 USDT on Arbitrum chain in their Bybit wallet, and make sure to register to participate in this Web3 IDO before the end of the subscription period. So once you have checked this video right now, you still be able to participate, and that's why you need to subscribe to my channel so you will receive this kind of video in real time. And subscription snapshot period, participation must have a Bybit wallet with a balance of at least 300 USDT on Arbitrum chain to be eligible for IDO participation. 3 snapshots will be taken per day during the snapshot period from this time 10 o'clock UTC time to 21 10 o'clock UTC time. Failure to maintain this balance during the snapshot will be a result to ineligibility. So lottery period, Bybit Web3 IDO use a smart contract to randomly select tickets, making it fair for all participants to win token allocation. To learn more, you need to plan how these things works. Requirement: redemption period, participation selecting this token allocation laundry can check their participation and redeem token before the redemption deadline. Initial redemption is 50%. Remember, invested over 5 months at 10% per month after initial redemption. And that's all the details you need to know. If you want to, you can deposit over here. You can deposit $300 to your account. You can just use this funding right here. Then you'll be able to send your assets. If you go back right here, if you go back, you can use external wallet right here. just copy this Arbitrum account, copy this your account, copy your account, and send any USDT from other exchange if you want to send from external wallet. And after holding this $300 worth of this asset in your account before this snapshot period ends, and you'll be able to qualify to potentially get this IDO token. And make sure you do your own research before you take any step. This video, take this video as educational purpose, and if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell so you don't miss this real-time update about crypto or any IDO or how to make money online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you on the next video.